stress. Okay, the next one. सूर्य पूर्व में उगता है. Translate this, Siddhi.
And the sun rises in the
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sardana. The sun rises in the east. Okay, next one. कुत्ते भौंकते हैं. Translate this, Sardana.
Dog barks.
Okay. Problem is there. Dogs bark. Dogs bark. Next one. कुत्ता भौंकता है. Translate this. Nikita
A dog barks.
is absolutely right. Our dog barks. Our dog barks. The dog barks. What is the difference between them? Neetu. A dog barks. The dog barks.
Sir, if we are using the dog, then we are specifying particular dog.
Right, right. And our dog
Then any dog barks something. We are not specifying it here.
is absolutely right. Any dog in the world. Uh, so when we mention this, so our dog barks.
Okay.
Okay. Next one.
So
Surya.
the dog means so the dog bark means I
हाँ.
mean more than one dog. And
So
our dog barks means what?
so
I mean we
so
talk
dogs will
about.
come. Dogs will
Okay,
come.
but sir,
S is
you
added.
said you said ना कुत्ते भौंकते हैं. It means
Actually,
कुत्ते ना sir.
okay. Yeah. I'm giving you four sentences to you.
Okay,
Our dog
okay,
barks. Our dog barks. Second one, the dog barks.
okay,
Third one, dogs bark. And fourth one, dogs bark. Our dog barks. The dog barks. Dogs bark. The dogs bark.
okay.
Yeah. Now can you differentiate them? Good evening, Prinshu.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Prinshu, can you differentiate these sentences? Our dog barks. Dogs bark. The dog barks. The dogs bark.
The dog bark.
The dog barks.
A dog bark.
A dog barks means
एक कुत्ता भौंक रहा है.
पर okay, एक कुत्ता भौंकता है, right. The dog barks means
The dog. एक से
particular,
ज्यादा.
specific,
Particular.
है ना? अगर कोई particular है Tom, Tommy, Jerry, so for that the dog. And dogs when we talk about more than one dog, so dogs bark. The dogs bark when we talk about specific plural, so we talk about more than one dogs, so and they are particular, so the dogs bark. Clear hai Sadhana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the
Yes.
next one. Okay, next है सूर्य चमकता है, प्रिंशु.
The sun shines.
The sun shines, correct. तारे चमकते हैं, सिद्धि. तारे चमकते हैं. Okay. Nikita.
The star twinkle.
The stars twinkle. Right. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, नीतू.
Sir, I think so.
Is absolutely right. उसे ऐसा लगता है, नीतू.
They think so.
हाँ, उसे ऐसा लगता है, उसे.
He thinks so.
He thinks so. Right. उन्हें ऐसा लगता
And
है.
sir, they think so. They
Now
think
is
so.
yeah. Now it is right. They think so.
And sir,
Next
can
one.
I use I do think so?
I do think so. मुझे ऐसा लगता तो है, हाँ?
Okay, meaning will be changed.
Yeah, meaning will change. मुझे ऐसा
Hmm.
लगता तो है. I do think so. है ना?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, वह काम करता है. Translate this. वह काम करता है, प्रिंशु.
He works.
Correct. वह काम करता तो है.
वह काम करता तो है.
हाँ.
He also works. तो वो भी हो गया.
नीतू, is it right?
Sir, he does work.
He does work is the right. है ना प्रिंशु? He does
Yes,
work.
sir.
So whenever we give emphasis to the verb, so we use do or does.
Okay.
Another example, उसके बच्चे हमारे विद्यालय में पढ़ते तो हैं. Translate this. Nikita.
His children's.
Children's or children?
Sorry, children.
हाँ.
His children
हाँ.
do.
हाँ.
His children do study. क्या बोला आपने? हमारे
विद्यालय में पढ़ते तो हैं.
His children do study in our school.
Correct. His children do study in our school is absolutely right. So whenever we give emphasis to a verb in a sentence, so we use do or does.
Okay.
मैं मेरी गलती मानता हूं. Translate this sentence into English. मैं मेरी गलती मानता हूं, नीतू.
I admit my mistake.
Is absolutely correct. I admit my mistake. The next one. मैं खुद को भाग्यशाली समझता हूं, प्रिंशु.
I consider myself lucky.
Is absolutely right. I consider myself lucky. Next one. पक्षी घोंसला बनाते हैं, सिद्धि. Yeah, Siddhi. Okay. Nikita.
बर्ड्स बर्ड आपने बोला क्या पक्षी घोंसला बनाता
पक्षी हाँ हाँ
है बर्ड्स मेक नेस्ट
birds build nest because
बिल्ड
whenever we talk about construction
हाँ
work so we use build build.
ओके सर
Okay, the next one कौवे काव काव करते हैं. Translate this, Neetu.
Sir, don't know how to say
Okay.
cow cow.
Okay.
The crow cow.
Prinshu. हाँ.
The
Crows
crow
caw.
cow. Caw.
Crows caw. CROWS. Crows means कौवे. काव काव करना means caw. CAW. Crows caw. CROWS. Crows caw. CAW. Next one. कुछ प्राणी रात में शिकार करते हैं. निकिता.
कुछ प्राणी रात में शिकार करते हैं some animals
हाँ
some animals attack in night
Okay.
Some
Little
animals-
problem. Neetu.
in the night
No.
Sir,
At the night.
few human being
हाँ
hunts hunts
हाँ.
in night.
Okay. Problem is there. Prinshu.
Some animals hunt at night.
Is absolutely right. Some animals or creatures, creature, creature means prani. Some creatures hunt at night. Always remember, at comes before night, midnight, noon. At is used before night, midnight, noon, and dawn. DAWN. Dawn means Savera.
सर क्या स्पेलिंग
And
बोली
in
आपने
DAWN,
अच्छा ओके ओके
dawn means Savera. So at is used before night, midnight, noon, not afternoon, only noon, and dawn, DAWN. And in is used before morning, afternoon, and evening. In is used. On is used before the names of days. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, like this. Okay. Okay. Next one. मेरी त्वचा जाड़ों में बहुत रूखी हो जाती है. ट्रांसलेट दिस, नीतू.
My skin get dry in winter.
My skin gets very dry in winter. Right. Next one. मैं वही करता हूं जो मैं सिखाता हूं. ट्रांसलेट दिस, प्रिंशु.
मैं वही करता हूँ जो मैं सिखाता हूँ.
हाँ.
I only do that what I teach.
I do what I teach. Correct. नेक्स्ट वन, कुछ लोग खाने के लिए जीते हैं। निकिता।
some people live for food.
सम पीपल, कुछ लोग खाने के लिए जीते हैं। सम पीपल लिव टू ईट।
Live to it.
राइट। नेक्स्ट वन, मैं सोचने से पहले कभी नहीं बोलता हूँ। नीतू।
Sir, please repeat the sentence.
मैं सोचने से पहले कभी नहीं बोलता।
I do not speak before think.
लिटिल प्रॉब्लम। सरदना। मैं सोचने से पहले कभी नहीं बोलता। Sardana, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I never speak before I think.
is absolutely correct. I never speak before I think. Is it okay, Nitu? I never speak before I think.
Okay, sir. Instead of I do not, here we have to use
Never.
I never speak. Okay.
Yeah, because never means kabhi nahi and do not
Kabhi.
means nahi.
Okay.
So only do not is used for nahi and never is used for kabhi nahi. Next one. वह बोलने से पहले सोचता है। वह बोलने से पहले सोचता है।
He
हाँ,
he thinks before he speaks.
is absolutely correct. Yeah. Next one. मैं स्वयं को दोष देता हूं। Translate this. निकिता। निकिता।
Yes, sir.
या मैं
Second,
स्वयं को दोष देता हूं। स्वयं को दोष देता हूं।
mm, I blame for myself.
Okay. I blame myself.
Myself.
I blame myself. Yeah, accuse myself.
Spelling
Okay.
Q.
A double C U S E. A double C U. A double C U S E. Yeah. Next one. मैं आपसे सहमत हूं। प्रिंशु।
I agree with you.
करेक्ट। आई एग्री विद यू। हमें आपकी मदद की जरूरत है।
We need your
सरदना।
help.
इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट, वी नीड योर हेल्प। मेरा विश्वास है कि परमेश्वर हैं। सरदना।
मेरा विश्वास है।
हाँ,
I believe I I
हाँ,
believe
हाँ, हाँ,
नहीं,
हाँ, हाँ,
I believe
सही है, सही है।
that I
हाँ,
believe that God is
ओके। नीतू।
Sir, I believe that God is here.
Okay. I believe that God exists. E X
Oh,
I
yeah.
S T S. I believe that
okay.
God exists.
Okay.
The next one, Nikita.
Yes, sir.
उसमें आत्मविश्वास का अभाव है।
Uh, he has lack of self-confidence.
Correct. He has lack of self-confidence, or you can say he lacks
He lacks
se-
he lacks
self-confidence.
self-confidence.
Right, right. यह सब आप पर निर्भर है, यह सब आप पर निर्भर है। प्रिंशु,
Yeah, it's all depend on you.
this all depends on you, this all depends on you.
So can we
The
say it's up to you?
Yeah, this is also right. This all is up to you, then is
Is up.
will become, yeah. वह निश्चित ही
Sir,
प्रशंसा की, yeah, Neetu.
sir, I have one question. This all
Mm-hmm.
depends on you. So this
Yeah.
all is a plural thing, and we have used
Uh-huh.
depends.
Hmm.
So should we like we have to use depend instead of depends?
No, actually, these all यहाँ नहीं है. This all है. THIS. So this is taken as singular.
Okay.
If there were these all, so plural verb will come.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Next one. वह निश्चित ही प्रशंसा का पात्र है. Translate this, Neetu. वह निश्चित ही प्रशंसा का पात्र है या योग्य है.
Sir, don't know actually.
Okay. Sardana, can you?
Uh, Sir, he definitely dishes, na?
हाँ.
He definitely प्रशंसा.
He certainly निश्चित ही means certainly.
Right.
Sir, how can I say प्रशंसा का पात्र?
प्रशंसा.
Deserves praise. Deserves.
Yeah.
He certainly deserves praise. He
Praise,
certainly deserves praise. Certainly deserves praise. Okay. The next one. उसे कुछ चाहिए. Translate this. उसे कुछ चाहिए. Nikita
He wants something.
is absolutely right. Next one. उसके आते ही हम निकलेंगे. Translate this, Neetu. उसके आते ही हम निकलेंगे.
We will leave when he comes.
We will leave as soon as he comes.
Okay.
We will leave as soon as he comes. Next one. वह पूछेगा तब मैं उसे उसके बारे में बताऊंगा. प्रिंशु.
When he asked, then I told him about that.
Wrong. Sardana.
when he will ask, when he will ask, when he will ask, I will told him.
Wrong.
Then when he will ask, then I will told him.
Still it is wrong. I will tell you.
I will
Neetu.
tell him.
Okay, Nikita.
When he will ask, I will tell him.
Okay, still there is error. Nikita. Sorry, Neelu. Neetu, sorry.
Sir, please repeat the sentence.
Okay.
Sir, please repeat the
वह
Hindi sentence.
पूछेगा तब मैं उसे इसके बारे में बताऊंगा.
Okay. So when he will ask, then I will tell him.
Okay, little error is there in this
Please
sentence.
answer, sir. The three
So
same answer.
then I will tell him about this.
Okay. Sardana, what you are saying?
The same answer.
Okay. I will, okay. I will tell him about this when he asks. So one action is made in the simple present and one action is made in the simple future. Both actions will not be made in simple future.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
So
So
repeat the
one,
answer. I
I
will
will tell
tell
him
him
about him. I will tell him about this
about this.
when he asks.
Okay.
When he asks. So one action is made in simple present and second action is made in simple future. उसके पूछने तक मैं उसे इसके बारे में नहीं बताऊंगा. नीतू. उसके पूछने तक मैं उसे इसके बारे में नहीं बताऊंगा.
Until he
हाँ.
asks,
हाँ.
I will not इसके बारे में नहीं बताऊंगा. I will not reveal to him.
Okay. I will not tell him about this until he asks. Correct.
Okay.
So one action is made in simple present and second
Sir,
action is
can't
made
we
in
use
simple.
until he asks in first sentence?
Yeah,
Like in first
we
place?
can. Yeah.
Okay.
मेरे आने तक इंतजार करो. Translate this, Nikita.
मेरे आने तक इंतजार करो. Wait until I come.
Is absolutely right. Wait until I come. Next one. Prinshu. बाहर जाने से पहले सभी खिड़कियां बंद करो.
Close all the window before going out.
Is absolutely right. Shut all the windows before you go out is also right. Okay. Next one. बस के आने तक मैं आपके साथ रुकूंगा. सरदना. Okay. Nikita.
I will stay with you until नहीं,
The bus comes.
until the bus comes.
Is absolutely right. I will stay with you till the bus comes or until the bus comes. Both are right. Okay. Now, I am giving you verbs. So, I am asking you verbs now. Five forms of main verb you have to tell. First one. Likhna. Nikita.
Write, wrote,
Huh?
written, writing,
Huh?
writes.
Is absolutely right. Next one. Neetu. भूलना.
Sir, forget, forgot, forgotten, forgetting, forgets.
Forgetting is absolutely right. Forgetting, forgets, right. The next one. Prinshu. सिखाना.
Teach, taught, teaching, teach.
Teaches, right. The spelling of taught
TAUGHT.
is absolutely right. The next one,
Sir, it is forgot or forgot.
So forget.
forgot, forget, forget, forgot, forgotten, forgetting, forgets.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, S- Siddhi, Jana. Okay.
Go went
Uh,
on, going go.
is right. Go, went, gone, going, goes. Next one, Sardana. Thakna.
Thakna.
Yeah.
Tired.
Tire.
So,
Tire.
no, no. Sir, tired,
No.
no? Tired.
No, no, no. First form tire. Tire.
Tired, tired, tired.
Tiring and
Tiring,
tires. And
tires.
tires.
Okay.
Right. The spelling of tire is Tire.
Tiare.
Yeah. And Tyre tire is that's which is on wheel. है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. The next one. उत्पन्न होना, Nikita.
No, no.
उत्पन्न होना.
Mm,
Don't know?
sir,
Mm-hmm.
so first word बताएंगे क्या?
It starts with A. A.
A.
Hmm.
Sir, it is arise.
Right.
Rise.
Arise, arose, arisen, arising, arises.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. Neetu.
Sir, please repeat now. Arise, arose,
Arise, arose, arisen, arisen,
arisen,
arising,
arising,
arises,
arise. Okay.
arises. Neetu. Peetna. Peetna.
Beat.
Huh?
Beat. Bitten.
Uh-huh.
Sir, don't know second form.
Okay, okay. Uh, beat, bet, beaten. First and third form are same in spelling, but different in pronunciation. Beat, bet, beaten, beating, beats. B-E-A-T. The
Okay.
spellings are same.
Beat. Bet. Bitten.
Beaten, not bitten,
Beaten.
beaten. Yeah. है ना?
It's like, sir, when we say read, read,
Yeah. It's just like
it's
that.
same like beat, bet. Okay.
Yeah, spellings are same, pronunciations are different. The next one. Janm dena, Prinshu.
Birth.
Huh?
Birth.
Birth. Okay. Birth is a noun, so we have to tell a verb. Verb.
Don't know, sir.
Birth is a noun. Okay. Sardana.
Hmm. जन्म देना.
Mm-hmm.
So deliver.
Deliver. Okay.
Yeah.
Deliver, delivered, delivered.
Yeah. Delivered, delivered,
Okay.
delivered, delivering, delivered.
हाँ. Okay. Right. या फिर B से it should start with B.
B.
नीतू. हाँ, B से.
Sir, don't know actually.
Okay. Nikita.
Yes.
जन्म देना. Bear, bore, born, bear, bearing and bears. BEAR. Bear, bore, BORE, born, BORN. Born is the
And the
third
fourth,
form.
sent 4 and fifth form.
MV1 plus ing, bear plus ing, and bears.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. Sehna. Nikita. Sehna.
So tolerate.
It should start with B.
Hmm.
Tolerate is right. Tolerate is right. But if we ask about the word starting with B.
Bear.
Beer.
Right.
I
Right.
think
Okay.
bear.
Beer, bore,
Huh?
beer, bore,
Hmm.
bearing,
Born.
bone.
Born.
हाँ, bone.
BORNE.
अच्छा bone.
BORNE.
And third form, no, sir?
Oh,
Yeah. Bear.
Second to bore.
Bore.
Bore,
Huh.
bore,
BORE.
oh.
हाँ,
Yeah. And born. BORNE. Bearing and bears. Right.
Yeah.
Next one. शुरू करना. Starting with B. Sardana.
Mm, be sad.
It's
Starting with.
B. B.
Okay.
B
Starting
for
with
ball.
B.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. शुरू करना. Mm. Begin.
Right. Begin. Second form.
Begin. Begin. E. G.
Begin.
Begin.
Begin. Begun. Beginning and begins. Beginning में
Begun.
double NING. हाँ.
Okay. Okay. Sir,
Begin.
begin.
Begun.
Sir,
Begin.
begin में
Begun.
GUN. GUN वाला.
हाँ. Third
है
form.
ना? हाँ.
हाँ.
Begin.
और second form में.
Begin.
Second
B.
form में.
BEGN.
GAN.
GAN.
Right. BEGIN first form, BEGAN second form, BEGUN third form, and beginning में double NING and begins. Okay. Now conversation. Yes. Prinshu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which topic you would like to speak today?
Any?
Okay. Shall I give you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell us about your routine in English.
My routine.
Yeah, from the beginning of the day till the end of the day.
I wake up at 6.
Okay.
Uh, After that, at 6:30, I went to gym. I go for gym.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Uh, at uh, se- uh, at 7:30 or 7:45, I return from there.
Okay.
I take
How
shower.
far how far is the gym from your house?
Good
Uh,
evening, sir.
Good evening,
I
Salim.
think
Yes, sir.
uh, it's a distance of 2 minutes, 500 meter
Okay.
approx.
Okay. Okay. Salim,
Yes, sir.
uh, would you like to ask any question to Prinshu?
Sir, about which topic means?
Daily routine.
Yes, sir. Prince, what are your hobbies?
Uh, Listening music, playing games.
Listening to music.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Prinshu,
Which
carry
dish?
on your.
Prince, which dish you like the most? Means first
Which
of all, I would like to ask means which type of dish you like to eat the most?
which type of dish? Uh, uh, I don't have that which I like the most. I can eat anything.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I think the south side dishes are very much
Mm-hmm.
uh, tastier. And sir, this North Indian like sir Gujarat, sir,
Mm-hmm.
sir in MP, what is means the famous dish? I think
Famous dish of MP.
Poha.
Okay.
पोहा जलेबी sir.
poha
Poha
jalebi.
jalebi. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Sir, one of poha jalebi is of MP. Yes. Sir, one of my friend,
Yeah.
then he is telling means when he first went there, sir,
Mm-hmm.
he didn't say the state, but he only said that I first time I heard a combination of poha jalebi, but it tastes very
Okay.
nice.
Okay. So, what is the
And sir,
special dish of your city, of your state, Salim?
sir, here mainly of this vada, sir,
Okay.
upma, this one.
Okay. Vada pav.
No, sir,
Vada
Oh,
pav
only
is
sir
Mendu
famous
vada.
vada,
in
mendu
Maharashtra.
vada, mendu vada. Yes,
Anna, I'm
oh,
right, Celine? Mendu vada?
yes, ma'am, mendu vada.
Huh.
what is it? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah, Salim.
sir,
Mm-hmm.
a round like structure, and in
Okay.
between there is a hole.
Okay. Very nice.
Vada ka bada bhai.
Interesting.
So
Okay.
it's
Sir,
Mendu vada is just like what we say donut.
Donuts.
donut.
Okay.
Ah,
Donut.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Neetu, what is the special dish of your city?
Sir,
Chole kulche.
chole kulche, chole bhature, and now
Wow.
momos is also very famous.
What is it?
Momos.
Momos.
Okay,
momos.
Yeah.
momos. Okay.
Sir,
Nowadays they are
momos
in
now
Nowadays,
trend.
all.
nowadays, momos is
Yes.
famous,
Yeah.
I think, all over India.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Delhi,
It's trendy food.
Delhi is only Delhi is famous for street foods.
Mhm. Sir, over
Okay.
here now in
Mhm.
villages also these momos are available.
Yeah,
Sir,
right.
Sir,
we also have good momos shop in front of Samdariya Mall.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's 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 not good for health.
Yes, sir.
mhm.
Yeah.
The momos,
Sir,
na?
people use, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. It comes under junk food.
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir. But
Yeah.
people like
Mm.
Yeah, people
Sir,
like junk
people
food.
actually like because it is a steamed food. That's why,
Y-
and its taste also a bit nice.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I
So
also
it's
like momos, but not steamed. I like fried momos.
Fried, yeah, yeah,
fried
fried
momos.
tastes
Okay.
the
Yes,
moment.
sir.
It's
The taste is
okay.
very good.
Okay.
Sir, you don't like momos?
Actually, one of the students used to come earlier, so she had some, health issues just by having it. So I
Okay,
got scared. I got scared of momos. Uh,
okay.
so
Sir, but most of the time you traveled, na, sir.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
I I I saw your status.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
you
Mhm.
What did I? Never
so you never take
post.
outside food.
No, mostly I don't take.
Okay.
Okay. Do you take,
So sir,
Sarabina?
when you go
Yeah.
outside, so what? I mean,
Uh-huh.
when you go outside, so I mean, what you
What do
manage
you basically, yeah, what do you prefer to eat and
eat,
how you
yeah,
manage it?
and how you manage.
Okay. Okay.
Most
Very
of the time,
interesting.
house food is not available outside.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
That
yeah.
at that
So I
time, what should you
compromise.
do?
That time I compromise.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir.
Mm.
Very nice. Okay, I think I have one debatable topic I am remembering. You know, destiny versus hard work. Which one do you think is preferable? Which one do you think is preferable? Destiny or hard work? Neetu.
Sir, I think hard work, because through hard work we can change our destiny.
Okay.
So definitely hard
But
work.
okay, but some people say that destiny favors, when destiny favors, so we can work hard. Okay. Selin, what do you
But
think?
sir, I do not, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah, Neetu.
Yeah.
sir, but I do not, if we focus on the destiny, then we will not do hard work. So it's
Okay.
better to do hard work and to change your
Mhm.
destiny, because how we can
Okay.
assume that what God has written in destiny, instead of thinking in
Wow.
that perspective, it's better to do hard work.
Yeah, is absolutely right. That's why I asked that which one is preferable, because both are essential in life. But which one comes first for us? Uh, so you said hard work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Selin,
Yes,
what's
sir.
your opinion on this?
Yes, sir. Sir, in Sir Bhagavad Gita also, Sir Krishna said that nothing is means destiny is not in your hand. Only you could do
Okay,
is the hard work. If
very good.
your hard work means, sir, actually work creates our destiny. The
Okay, hard
label
work
we
creates.
do, yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the
But
means
I am just asking you cross
yes, sir.
questions, Seven.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
to extend our debate. So,
Yes, sir.
uh, but the son of business tycoon like Ambani's son,
Yes, sir.
and son of very famous people, celebrities. They don't work hard, but they have got all things. Means they are born with silver spoon. So,
Yes, sir.
but you are saying hard work, creates success. But they are already
Mm,
successful because they are
yes,
born in their family
mm,
because of their destiny, by
yes.
virtue of their destiny. Yeah.
Sir, sir, there is a means there is a saying that sir, wherever Sir Saraswati stays, there Lakshmi
Yeah.
never stays. Sir, you see
Okay.
the means richest people, their son
Mm-hmm.
may be successful with their father's name, but they
Yeah.
don't gain experience. They don't have that much knowledge. They couldn't describe
Right, right.
about their destiny. So that's why
Okay.
the struggle we do and reach our destination, we have that much
Okay.
experience. Sir, at last,
Okay.
experience only matters. Nobody
Mm-hmm.
sees our father, nobody sees our means
Mm-hmm.
whatever back is there. Only for
Okay.
just a while that is being seen. After that,
Okay.
the thing is asked by from us is the experience, is the knowledge, whatever we are
Mm-hmm.
gaining and coming. So that's why it is
Okay.
said that Lakshmi and Saraswati never stays at one place.
Mm-hmm.
Wherever there is
Mm-hmm.
knowledge, there will be no that father is the richest person. There will be no money. So you see also
Mm-hmm.
now the
Yeah.
most
Yeah. Yeah.
successful people which are coming to means coming to
Mm-hmm.
in front of our face are only sir from poor background or like that. So they
Mm-hmm.
struggle. They have more
Mm-hmm.
experience. Sir, you
Mm-hmm.
see on the other hand, Shahrukh Khan's son, what he did.
Right.
Sir, Shahrukh
Yeah.
Khan
Yeah.
has means he is the brand
Most
ambassador
of
of
the famous
Saudi Arabia.
personalities, yeah.
Yes, sir. Saudi Arabia, he's the brand ambassador. Sir, whenever he go to Saudi Arabia, sir, even their
Mm-hmm.
president comes to welcome him because he is the ambassador
To
of
whom?
that country.
To whom?
Sir, Shahrukh
Shah
Khan.
Rukh Khan.
And
Shah
yes,
Rukh
Okay.
sir.
Khan.
And the car which he goes, sir,
Uh-huh.
only Saudi Arabia, that president and some imported people go in that car, and he
Okay.
goes in that car.
Because I think he belongs to some particular community. That's why I think.
Yes, sir. Muslim
Yeah.
community. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
You see his son, sir. What
Uh-huh.
experience he have, sir? Only his
But
father
after
name, sir. Yes, sir.
I think after few years we will be seeing him
Yes,
as a hero or actor in movies.
sir. Let's say now he is hero in drug only.
Oh, no, actually, I think these are the exercise happening
Yes,
to make him popular among the people, to make him famous among the people. These are marketing strategies they are doing.
yes.
He is becoming famous, by doing all this. He's coming in the media that he is the son of Shah Rukh Khan and he's doing this and that. So definitely he's being famous as well among the people.
Sir, sir,
So
one
somewhere,
person is there.
somewhere
Yes, sir.
destiny is somewhere destiny favors such people. And
Sir, yes,
I have heard Akshay Kumar's statement on this, that he said that I have seen so many newcomers standing in the queue out of studios in Mumbai, and they are looking better than me. They are acting better than me, but they are struggling to become actor in Bollywood. But I have become the superstar in Bollywood. How? So somewhere destiny favors.
sir,
Uh,
sir, one fellow is there in Bollywood, sir, Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
yeah,
Sir,
yeah,
his
yeah.
action means his action, his attitude. Sir, he is
Mm-hmm.
a watchman. One time is there when he was a watchman. He struggled a lot, and now means all the Bollywood
Mm-hmm.
stars actually means they respect that fellow. sir. But
Okay.
this, on the other hand, this Aryan Khan, sir, they will
Mm-hmm.
only stay when till their father name is there, sir. Their father is
Okay.
there, sir. After
Mm-hmm.
that, sir, whoever who will ask them, only,
Mm-hmm.
sir, those will have that much quality. They will only be
Okay.
brought, taken by their
Mm-hmm.
taken to their film, sir. You see, sir, why the director will take to such fellows who cannot
Mm-hmm.
act only for their
Mm-hmm.
fathers, for the
Yeah,
sake
yeah,
of their
yeah.
father, they will not take.
Okay.
That's why, sir, everything matters knowledge. Whenever
Yeah,
hard
yeah, yeah.
work, sir, now hard work only favors, and hard work
Okay.
create our destiny.
Right, right.
And
Hard
sir,
work,
one more
everyone
thing.
works hard.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah, Neetu.
sir, but in
Sir, the
right,
point is that
sir,
how many time destiny will favor us? One time, two
Mm-hmm.
time, thrice time, but we can't be
Mm-hmm.
dependable on destiny. If we
Yeah.
will work hard, then definitely it will be favorable for us for long
Mm-hmm.
interval of time.
Okay. But Neetu,
sir,
everyone is
yeah.
working hard. Everyone in their life is working hard. You can't say that no, someone works hard and someone doesn't. Means if you see in Bollywood, every actor, actresses are working hard, but some of them become successful, some of them not.
So
Why
the
so?
point is that sometimes people do not get the platform.
Okay,
If they are
right.
doing hard
So,
work, but
yeah.
if they are not getting the platform, how they can show their talent?
Yeah,
It's
so this is
in
this is what
yeah.
this is what I am trying to say, that that platform is provided by destiny. Yeah,
Sir, can I?
yeah, Neetu. Yeah,
Sir, sir,
Yeah, sir,
platform
yeah.
your
Carry
point
on.
certain.
is valid.
Yeah,
Your point
yeah,
is
yeah,
valid. Yeah,
yeah.
but the point is
Like
that,
yeah, like Rahul Gandhi has got the platform already since
but he is not
he got.
he is not using his platform in like
Yeah,
in good way, or he is not
yeah,
utilizing
yeah,
his
yeah,
platform also.
yeah,
So
yeah,
that's why his
yeah,
performance got degraded.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So sometimes
Sir,
if
can I?
destiny
Correct,
will favor you also, but if you are not utilizing your platform, then definitely
correct, correct.
destiny will get
Right.
back.
So
Like
both,
take from
both the
you.
things. Yeah, yeah, both the things work. Yeah. So he is also working hard, but sometimes destiny doesn't favor him. Yeah.
Sir,
Shailen. Yeah.
yes, sir. Sir, whatever, sir, platform, sir, I don't think
Mm-hmm.
that platform everywhere needed, sir, not even a single time, because, sir, if we want to succeed in any
Mm-hmm.
in any field, sir, there must be a
Mm-hmm.
plan, there must be a
Mm-hmm.
strategy. If
Okay.
that plan and strategy will be good, then we will
Mm-hmm.
definitely be succeeded. Sir, the thing is
That's
that,
absolutely right.
sir, some people are
Mm-hmm.
there, they will go on doing hard work, only hard work. But,
Yeah.
sir, some people are there who means think according to
Mm-hmm.
their experience, which do whatever, sir, they focus on small things. That's why they
Mm-hmm.
succeeded. And some people
Mm-hmm.
are there, sir, they only haphazardly, only working hard is matters. Sir, along with hard
Mm-hmm.
work, there must be plan, accurate plan, strategy, and that
Mm.
will come from experience. And,
Okay.
sir, there are many examples in this world. There are many examples.
Mm-hmm.
We should not gain experience from our own mistake. We should gain experience
Mm-hmm.
from other mistake. Sir, that's why,
Mm-hmm.
sir, our
Mm-hmm.
um, Abdul Kalam said, no, sir, that
Mm-hmm.
don't means learn from your own mistake, or learn
Mm-hmm.
from, sir, always learn the failure stories, so that you will not make
Mm-hmm.
that mistake again. You will know, you will have an accurate plan.
Okay.
Sir, I
Right.
don't think platform is a good thing that always favors for success. I think
Okay.
a plan, or a accurate
Uh-huh.
plan, a accurate
Uh,
strategy, will definitely, if
Okay.
that is accurate, we will
But
succeed.
but the point is that if we have
Sir,
an accurate plan also and strategy also,
Yeah,
and if we
Sadhana.
do not have the platform,
yes.
then where we will
Modi
show
don't
that
have one day was there. Modi don't have that much platform. He's
Mm-hmm.
also selling tea
so
and he is also roaming in platforms.
so basically
And
it's totally depend on
yeah,
the field that it's totally depend on the field. In case of the Modi, he has created the platform.
Okay.
yeah, for from plan and strategy only. Where to go, where
Yeah,
to.
but but the point is that this can't be applicable for every field.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you see also Shahrukh Khan. He had one day was there. He is sleeping on sir, that bench outside bus
I
stand.
think Neetu must be knowing better than us, Ellen, because
Yes,
Shahrukh is from Delhi.
yeah, yes, yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
yes,
Neetu is
sir.
from Delhi, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Acha, Neetu is
So
from
it's
Delhi.
totally depend it's totally depend on us that whether we want to start from the scratch or create the platform by ourselves, or whether
Yes, that is.
already the
Yes,
platform has provided, there also we can show the talent and proceed further.
Okay. Yeah, Sardana, you would like to
Yes,
throw
sir.
some light
Actually, I
upon this?
want to. Yeah. Actually,
Yeah, yeah.
I want to share my point of view. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
uh, hard work is important, but I think Bible is also said, कर्म बिना विश्वास अधूरा है. I mean,
Okay.
hard work is important, but trust is also important. But I don't believe in destiny. This is my
Mm-hmm.
point of view. है ना? I don't believe
Okay.
in destiny.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
believe in God. I believe in God and
Yeah,
hard work.
right.
Because
Destiny is,
whatever
you
I
can say
achieve,
destiny.
because
Yeah,
yes, sir.
yeah. You can, yeah, you can say that destiny favors when God supports. Yeah,
मतलब yes, we can say God
yeah, yeah,
support
yeah.
or destiny, but I trust in God. But I know God.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
Right,
know I don't know destiny. What is destiny? But first you do hard work, then you
right.
create your future.
Is absolutely right. I agree with you on this point. But
Yes.
I'm saying that, destiny helps, then you can work hard. Even
Yes,
you
yes.
can't
This is
work
the
hard
this is the
if destiny doesn't support. Huh? Yeah.
okay, right, sir. Destiny doesn't
Yeah, right.
support you can't work hard. This is a
Yeah,
similar
yeah,
thing,
yeah.
sir. I'm
Yeah,
confused.
yeah. Okay.
Sir, I want to
Very
highlight a
nice.
point.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Salim.
Yes, Alan.
Sir, sir, there is a film no, of Dasrath Majhi, that is Sir Dasrath Majhi, a film he
हाँ
had
हाँ
Mm-hmm.
हाँ
made.
हाँ
Yeah,
हाँ.
Sir,
yeah.
there he had said
Right.
that, sir, हम भगवान के उम्मीद पर टिके रहेंगे तो क्या पता भगवान हमारे उम्मीद पे टिके रहा
Wow.
होगा आगे.
Yeah,
Sir, he
exactly,
said,
exactly.
sir, he said no. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
we should not wait for God. We should, maybe that God is waiting for us to come and take the
Mm.
Talent,
chance, to come
talent,
and take the
talent. I
destiny. Yeah,
said,
yeah, man.
talent. I said,
Yeah, man.
Bible said, कर्म बिना विश्वास अधूरा है. You know my point.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got my point.
Yes,
Right.
yes, yes,
But
yes.
Yeah.
I'm
कर्म
not.
बिना विश्वास अधूरा.
I'm not. Yeah, I'm not telling. I mean, only God. We believe only God. है ना?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm
Tomorrow,
discuss.
tomorrow we will discuss. Tomorrow we will discuss God.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is my favorite
Yeah.
topic, sir.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely. Mine too.
Okay, sir.
Mine as well.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
And everyone's,
Good
I
night.
think, here.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So the time has run out. See you tomorrow.
Okay,
Selin?
good night, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good night, Sadhana.
Sir,
Neetu, good night.
tomorrow I'm going to Bandhavgarh, so I can't.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Wow,
So, okay.
lucky.
Only one day, sir. One day.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Good
Okay.
night, sir.
Good
Thank you, sir.
night. Good
Good night,
night,
sir.
everyone.
Good night,
Good
everyone.
night. Most
Good night, sir.
welcome.
Good night.
Good night.